going to show you how to do the original Renegade dance, which is a little bit different from the one that we all know, which is from TikTok if you didn't know. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and to activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is a whoa, but not the one that we all do, like almost everyone does, but the one that everyone did at the very beginning. So it's like this. We're just going to cross our arms a little bit. Then we're going to do this with our hands as if we were saying wait. Let's just call this movement wait. And then we're going to clap. So it's going to be whoa, wait, clap. And then we're going to do an A. So we're going first to the left, then to the right. Then we're going to do a wave. And then, this is a little bit different to the Renegade you all know. We're going to do, after the wave, 1, 2. And then, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So, let me just explain it to you. So, we're going to do the wave. So, hand forward, the other hand. Our hands are in fists, like this. And then, we're going to do 1. Then we're going to fold our arms and then say wait again. So let's do it from the beginning. Whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to do a side punch. So to do the side punch, one hand is in front of us and the other one goes around us in a circle, like this. And then we're going to go to the front. And then we're going to go back again, so it's going to be 1, 2, and then we're going to go to the front again, and then to the side. But instead of making our hands go together with us, what we're going to do is go to the front, and then our hands go to the side, and we go to the other side. So it's going to be like this, and then we're going to cross our arms. Let's do it from the very beginning. So it's going to be, whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, arm, arm, 1, 2, 3, side punch, forward, back, forward, side, cross. And after the cross, we're going to do a circle with our hand. So it's just a slight circle. We don't have to do a giant circle because it's not going to look very pretty. So we're just doing this. Then we're going to do the movement that everyone does in the Renegade that we all know. But instead of doing this in the middle, we're going to add this movement, which is, it's very easy to do. We're just going to put one hand on the other one and then do like this. So first of all, they're together, then they go to the sides. That's it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go 1, 2, down. So we're just doing circles with our hands too. So it's 1, 2, down. Let's start from the very beginning. Whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, arm, arm, 1, 2, 3, side punch, forward, back, forward, side, cross, circle, 1, 2, 3, circle, circle, down. Now we're going to do another side punch. And after that, we're going to do a circle with our head, and also our hands are going to cover our face. So it's going to be like this. So it's going to be side punch and circle. And then, instead of doing, which is what we usually do, we're going to do 2 dabs like this. But instead of doing normal dabs, we're going to dab to our elbow. So it's going to be dab and dab. And after this, we are going to go with one hand to the side, then do a circle with our hand, and then go with our other hand to the side and do a circle with that hand. So you know from where we are going to do it? From the side punch and this. So it's going to go side punch, circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, we are going to do the same thing we did before, but without the circle. So it's going to go 1, and then do the same with the other hand. So they're both going to stay here, and then we're going to do this whoa, which is also a whoa that many people do. So it's going to look like this, as if we were folding our hands, but instead of that, our hands are in fists, and our arms are a little bit separated. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Then we're just going to make our fists look up. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then we're gonna do another side punch, but before that, let's do it again from here. So it's gonna go side punch, circle, dab, dab, side, circle, side, circle, side, side, whoa, up, side punch. Now it says something about cash, so we're just gonna show money. Just pretend you have money here and you're doing this. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go to the side with our right arm. Then we're gonna do a circle with our arm around our head. So it's gonna be 1, 2. And we're gonna do another circle like this. Just do this a couple times, and you're just gonna do the same thing but slowly once. And then a dab, like, I'm sorry, not a dab, a whoa. Like the whoa that everyone does right now. So it's like this. So let's do it from the very beginning because we are done. You see, it's very easy to do, it's very easy to learn. The only thing you have to do is learn to do it fast, but you're gonna get it easily. So let's do it from the very beginning. Whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, arm, arm, 1, 2, 3, side punch, forward, back, forward, side, press, circle, 1, 2, 3, circle, circle, dab, side punch, circle, and then dab, dab, side, circle, side, circle, side, side, whoa, up, side punch, money, let's just call it like that, money, side, circle, circle, and whoa. That is it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!